In this exercise, we're going to be finding a quadratic equation given some solutions. The solutions we're given are square root of 3 and 3 times the square root of 3. We're going to be working through the solution process backwards in order to find this quadratic equation. If these are solutions, then x equals the square root of 3, or x equals 3 times the square root of 3. This means that x minus the square root of 3 has to equal 0, or x minus 3 times the square root of 3 equals 0. Now, if this equals 0 or this equals 0, then their product, x minus the square root of 3 times x minus 3 times the square root of 3 equals 0. And now I multiply, and I have x squared. Using the product of the outside terms is minus 3 times the square root of 3x. The product of the inside terms minus the square root of 3x. And the product of the last terms is plus 3 times the square root of 3 squared, and that equals 0. Now I can simplify this. I have x squared. I have minus 3 times the square root of 3x minus the square root of 3x, which would be minus 4 times the square root of 3x, plus 3 times the square root of 3 squared is 3 times 3, or 9, and that equals 0. And that is a quadratic equation that has the solution, the square root of 3, and 3 times the square root of 3.